Welcome back to Freshco Graphics. Whether you're a returning viewer or joining us for the first time, we're thrilled to have you. Subscribe now for captivating insights into home and interior design. Welcome to the cozy, faded romance of shabby chic. Ever walked into a space that feels like a cherished memory? That's the magic of shabby chic. It's not about perfection, but about warmth, comfort, and a beautiful lived-in story. Our guide today is built around a dreamy faded floral wallpaper in washed-out lavender and creamy ivory, with hints of butter yellow. Imagine it as the soft, poetic backbone of your entire home. This palette whispers relaxation and vintage charm, inviting you to unwind. So let's wander through this lavender-scented daydream together, room by room, and gather some effortless ideas. Picture a cottage-style house with peeling, soft white paint and a slightly weathered wooden door. Let climbing new dawn roses, in the palest blush pink, frame the entrance to echo those floral wallpaper motifs. In mismatched terracotta pots by the doorstep, plant lavender and creamy white nicotiana. A vintage wrought iron bistro set, painted in buttery yellow and lightly rusted, waits on a flagstone path. The overall feeling is one of gentle neglect, as if the garden itself is giving the house a long, loving hug. Step inside to an immediate sense of calm. Our floral wallpaper here sets the tone, perhaps on a single accent wall behind a distressed white console table. On it, a chunky ivory ceramic lamp sheds a warm glow over a stack of old books bound in linen. A simple oval-shaped mirror with a flaking gilded frame hangs above. Toss a faded butter yellow velvet cushion on a petite slipper chair in the corner. The floor? Well-worn oak with a rag rug in lavender and cream stripes to catch the dirt in your worries. This is where you sink in and stay a while. Imagine that lavender and cream wallpaper behind a large, overstuffed sofa draped in a loose, creamy slipcover. Pile on an avalanche of textiles, floral and ticking stripe pillows in your palette, and a chunky knitted throw. A painted coffee table, its edges worn to reveal glimpses of gray wood, holds a tray of tea things. Look for furnishings with curves, a Louis XVI-style armchair or a scrolled-arm sofa, all in soft, inviting fabrics. Let sunlight filter through sheer linen curtains, washing everything in a dreamy, afternoon light. Your sanctuary should feel like a cloud. Here, the floral wallpaper is a must, creating a soft, enveloping headboard effect. Dress the bed in layers of ivory linens, a chenille bedspread, and a delicate lavender quilt or coverlet at the foot. A vintage dressing table, its mirror speckled with age, holds pretty perfume bottles and a small posy of dried lavender. A butter yellow upholstered bench sits at the end of the bed. Keep lighting soft with crystal knob lamps or a small chandelier dripping with aged crystal beads. Think of intimate gatherings and casual suppers. A farmhouse table with peeling paint pairs perfectly with mismatched chairs, some in white, some in pale lavender. A delicate faded floral china set sits behind the glass of a creamy hutch. Over the table, a simple wire chandelier is wrapped with ivory ribbon and tiny fairy lights. Use a heavily starched linen tablecloth in cream, and don't be afraid to mix your grandmother's china with simple modern pieces. It's all about that collected over time feeling. Even the kitchen gets a dose of soft romance. Use the wallpaper perhaps on a pantry door or as a backsplash behind open, painted shelves. Those shelves should display white ironstone pitchers and bowls, alongside sprigs of dried herbs. Cabinets in off-white or very pale gray, with vintage ceramic knobs, feel right at home. A small, well-loved wooden table acts as an island, topped with a bowl of lemons for that pop of butter yellow. It's a space that says homemade jam and whispered conversations over morning coffee. Transform this functional space into a powder-soft retreat. Imagine the floral wallpaper in a moisture-resistant version, complemented by beadboard wainscoting painted in creamy ivory. A freestanding clawfoot tub, perhaps with a charming patina, is the star. Stack fluffy white towels on a weathered wooden ladder, and add a tiny sprig of lavender in a bottle by the sink. Look for a vanity with a marble top worn smooth by time, and faucets with a brushed nickel or oil-rubbed bronze finish. Light a lavender scented candle, and you've got your own private spa.